UGC NET JRF exam, July 2016, History, Solved paper, paper 3. Note, this paper contains 75 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. In the recent past, which of the following sites has yielded the evidence of a fossil, fossilized human baby skull? A. Bori, B. Hatnora, C. Lakhania, D. Odai. And the answer is option D. Odai. 2. Which among the following sites provide evidence of domestication of animals in the Mesolithic period? 1. Adamgar, 2. Bahur, 3. Loteshwar, 4. Ratanpur. And the answer is option C, 1, 2 and 3. Adamgar, Bahur, Loteshwar. Question number 3. Match the items of list 1 with list 2. List 1 antiquity, list 2 find spot. Ash mound, Utnur, Ayagapatta, Mathura, 11-headed Bodhisattva, Khaneri, stone relic boxes, Sanchi. Question number 4. Most of the Harappan seals are made of A. Chet, B. Copper, C. Faience, D. Steatite. And the answer is option D. Steatite. Question number 5. Match the items of list 1 with list 2. List 1 king, list 2 kingdom. Aswapati, Kekhaya, Parikshitha, Kuru, Nichakshu, Vatshabhumi, Pradyota Mahasena, Avanti. Question number 6. Which of the following sites was the first to yield the evidence of painted grey ware? A. Ahichatra, B. Atranchikera, C. Hastinapur, D. Shravasti. And the answer is option E. Ahichatra. Question number 7. Arrange the following in the chronological order. 1. Beguston inscriptions of Darius. 3. Persepolis inscription of Darius. 2. Nakshi Rustam inscription of Darius. 4. Burning of Achaemenian capital Persepolis. Question number 8. Arrange the following ancient Indian grammarians in the chronological order. And the chronological order is Yashka, Panini, Katyayana, Vamana. Question number 9. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. The Mauryan dynasty of India was closely connected with the area of modern Nepal. Reason R. A daughter of Ashoka the Great had married a nobleman from that area. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 10. Arrange the following classical authors in the chronological order. And the chronological order is 1. Arrian, 4. Strabo, 2. Pliny, 3. Ptolemy. 11. The cultural sequence of the excavated sites of Hastinapur from bottom upwards is as under 3. OCP period, 4. PGW period, 2. NBP ware period, 1. Kushan period. 12. Arrange the following authors of inscriptions in the chronological order. 1. Harisena, 4. Veerasena, 3. Vatsabhati, 2. Ravikruti. 13. Which were the chief ports of the Pandyas of the Sangam age? Select the correct answer from the code given below. Then 1. Kurkai, 2. Madurai, 3. Musiri, 4. Puhar. And answer is option A, 1 and 2, Kurkai and Madurai. 14. According to inscriptional assertion, who among the following rulers used to honor all religions? 1. Ashoka, 2. Kanishka, 3. Kharavela, 4. Pushyamitra Sunga. And answer is option B, 1 and 3, Ashoka and Kharavela. 15. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. Immediately after his accession to the throne, Maharaja Kharavela launched on a career of a Digvijayan conqueror. Reason are having heard about the exploits of Kharavela, Dimita, an Indo-Greek king of eastern Punjab, retreated to Mathura from where he planned to challenge Kharavela. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. 16. Who among the following kings had performed the Vajapaya sacrifice? 1. Pravarasena 1, 2. Pushyamitra Sunga, 3. Santhamula 1, 4. Satakarni Kautami Putra. And the answer is option C 1 and 3. Pravarasena 1, Santhamula 1. 17. Amaravati, an early historical site in Andhra Pradesh, was known as the following: A. Chandravaram, B. Dharnikota, C. Dulikatta, D. Ellishwaram. And the answer is option B. Dharnikota. 18. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. The foremost success of the Gupta Emperor Chandragupta II was his victory over the mighty Saka Kshatrapa dynasty of Gujarat. Reason are: it could have given the Guptas access to Indian trade with the Mediterranean. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 19. The Kunas issued coins only in 1. Gold, 2. Silver, 3. Copper, 4. Protein. And the answer is option C 2 and 3 only. Silver and copper. 20. Arrange the following astronomers in the chronological order. 4. Brahmagupta, 1. Aryabhatta, 2. 3. Bhattotpala, 2. Bhaskaracarya. 21. Which of the following temples are built of bricks? 1. Begram Temple of Dinajpur. 2. Sat Dhiluya of Burdwan, WB. 3. Siddheshwara of Bahurala, Bankufa, WB. 4. Vaital Dual of Bhuvaneshwara. And the answer is option C 1, 2 and 3. 22. The Vimala temple of Delvara is dedicated to one of the following: A. Adinada, B. Bahubali, C. Neminada, D. Prashvanada. And the answer is option A. Adinada. 23. The Lakshmi type coins of Gangayadeva Kalchuri were imitated by which of the following rulers? 1. Boja to Pratihara, 2. Govinda Chandra Kahadwala, 3. Parmadideva Chandela, 4. Udayaditya Paramara. And the answer is 2, 3 and 4. 24. Who among the following rulers of Kashmir built a dam on Vitasta river to save his kingdom from the devastating floods? A. Avantivarman, B. Didha, C. Harsha, D. Lalitaditya Uttapida. And the answer is option A. Avantivarman. 25. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. The 12th century unique work Kumarapala Charita by Hemachandra is a long poem which tells the story of Chalukya kings of Gujarat. Reason are: it illustrates the rules of Sanskrit and Prakrit grammar also. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 26. Which of the following pairs is not matched correctly? A. Shihabuddin, Shughravarti, Awarif ul Marif. B. Al Huzwiri, Kashful Mahzub. C. Ibn al Arabi, Fuzuz al Hikam. D. Al Hazali, Thazib al Akhlaq. And the answer is option D. Al Hazali, Thazib al Akhlaq. 27. I and none other. What are you that I am not, and what have you been that I have not been? The above statement was claimed by which of the following group or sultan? A. Turkhan-i Chikhalgani, B. Ruknuddin Firuz, C. Sultan Razia. D. Aram Shah. And the answer is option A. Turkan-i-Chilghani. 28. Which of the following statements are not correct in regard of music? A. Bharani writes about young girls being trained by Indian courtesans in Persian and Indian music for the Delhi court in the late 13th century. B. Amir Khusro in 1318 claimed that Indian music had preeminence over the music of all other countries. C. Abul Fazl does not include the names of musicians in the Ain-e-Akbari. D. Nayak Bakshu was the recognized master of Khayyam. Select your answer from the code given below, and the answer is option B, C and D. 29. What arguments did Mian Bua give for writing Madanush Shifa-i Sikandar Shahi, a compilation based on all the major Ayurvedic texts in Sanskrit? A. The Greek medicine did not suit the climate of India. B. The medicinal plants mentioned in the Greek system were either unidentifiable or unobtainable in India. C. The Greek school of medicine became dominant at the Delhi court. D. Greco-Arabian tradition was identical in its practices. Choose correct answer from the code given below. And answer is option A and B. 30. Which one of the following is not true about the Sayyid and Lodi architecture? A. Khan-e-Jahan Makbul's tomb inspired the Sayyid and Lodi rulers to build octagonal tombs. B. The inner and outer shell of the dome with a space left between the two in Sikandar's tomb marks the beginning of the double dome. C. Sayyids and Lodis did not erect any square plan tombs. D. The Sur family tombs at Sasaram are all octagonal. And the answer is option C. Sayyids and Lodis did not erect any square plan tombs. 31. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1, list 2. Qualb, Army, Hasham, Cavalry Trooper, Fawazil, excess revenue over and above the assigned revenue. Tawfir, enhancement in the estimated income of the Iqtar. 32. As the wind destroys the trees and locusts the shali crop, so did the Yavanas destroy the usages of Kashmira. The kingdom of Kashmira was polluted by the evil practices of the Mlekhas. The above statement about Kashmir was made by which of the following chroniclers of Kashmir? A. Kalhana. B. Jonaraja. C. Srivara. D. Bhattavatara. And the answer is option B. Jonaraja. 33. Which one of the following is not correct? A. The Pikola Lake of Udaipur was excavated during Lakha's rule 1382 to 1421 on Mewar. B. Mokkal 1421 to 33 repaired the temples of Samideshwara at Chittoor. C. Rana Kumbha 1433 to 68 dug several lakes for irrigation purposes as well as step wells and reservoirs for storing water. D. Rana Uda 1468 to 73 constructed Uday Sagar Lake in Udaipur. And the answer is option D. Rana Uda 1468 to 73 constructed Uday Sagar Lake in Udaipur. 34. Shuhabat strove hard so that the Sultan at his suggestion ordered all Brahmins and learned Hindus should become Musalmans and those who did not accept Islam should leave the realm. The above statement reference is made to which of the following Sultan by Farishta? A. Sultan Sikandar of Kashmir. B. Jainul Abidin. C. Fairuz Shah Tughlaq. D. Sultan Hussain Shah Sharqi. And the answer is option A. Sultan Sikandar of Kashmir. 35. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reasoner. Assertion A. Bengal Sultan Ruknuddin Barbak Shah I was a great patron of Bengali literature. Reasoner. Barbak Shah I conferred the title of Gunaraj Khan to Maladhar Bashu in acknowledgement of his great achievements in the field of Bengali literature. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 36. Match list 1 with list 2 relating to the organization of the Sikh community and choose correct answer from the code given below. List 1, list 2. Masand, representative of the Guru. Khalsha, persons initiated by the Guru himself. Meli, deputies of the Masand. Shalang, persons initiated by the Masand. 37. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Eknath has written his Hindu Turk Samvad in Barut genre. Reason R. The Baruts were specially written to appeal to masses to interest those who otherwise might not listen to the message of Bhakti. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 38. Madhavis asserted on the purification of historical Islam from innovation bid'ah. Which one of the following views of the scholars is not correct? A. Muhammad Yazid has characterized the movement as a plebeian revolt of the simple-hearted. B. K. A. Nizami refers to Mahdavi movement as a crisis and a commotion in the lower strata. C. Derry McLeon argues that the early Maghdavis tended to prefer a low profile and a quietist stance, while the later Maghdavis generally adopted an uncompromising stance. The ASB Ansari has compared the Maghdavi cult of the dagger to the Ismaili assassins. And answer is option C. Derry McLean argues that the early Maghdavis tended to prefer a low profile and a quietest stance, while the later Maghdavis generally adopted an uncompromising stance. 39. Consider the following statement concerning the Mughal Jamindars. A. Jamindar holding a full pargana had to render military service with a fixed contingent. B. Jamindar holding only a taraf of a few villages in a pargana paid salami. C. One half of the Jamindar's territory whose revenue Jamindars were to deposit in the state treasury was known as Talpad. Select the correct answer from the code given below, and the answer is option C, A and B. Jamindar holding a full pargana had to render military service with a fixed contingent, and Jamindar holding only a taraf of a few villages in a pargana paid salami. 40. A large number of marks and symbols, sometimes accompanied by the names of individuals, are found inscribed on almost all the stones used in the construction of medieval monuments. These marks and symbols carry some purpose. Which of the following purposes is not relevant in regard of inscribing the marks? A. To identify the creator. B. Inscribed mark should be exclusive of a creator. C. Stone supplier or mason used the mark. D. To identify a building and a owner of a building. And the answer is option D. To identify a building and the owner of a building. 41. Which one of the following European travelers commented that in India there were no academies except madrasas for religious study, where systematic study of the Western sciences could be taken up. Thus, interest in Western science and philosophy was individual and died with the individual. A. Father Montserrat. B. Bernier. C. Tavernier. D. Monucci. And the answer is option B, Bernier. 42. Which one of the following statements is not correct in regarding to painting? A. The Mughal Emperor Humayun brought master painters Abdus Samad and Mir Saidi Ali from Persia in 1555. B. Akbar established a large atelier that undertook the illustration of the Hamzanama in the 1560s. C. Jahangir's period rejected the European influence on the painting. D. In the 18th century, regional paintings came into existence depicting especially Krishna Leelas. And the answer is option C. Jahangir's period rejected the European influence on the painting. 43. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Qos Minar is a category of architecture that developed with a clear association with road networks. Reason are Minar's primary function was to serve as markers of following correct route for the destination. In the context of the above statement, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 44. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Coin type. A. Sikka newly coined rupee. B. Chalani coin struck in the preceding years. C. Hazana coins current from former reigns. D. Pith. Actual weight of the coin is less than the face value of the coin. And the answer is option D. Pith. Actual weight of the coin is less than the face value of the coin. 45. Which of the following is not correct in relation to the village community? A. Buchanan's survey of South India became the basis for theories about the Indian village community. B. B.H. Baden-Powell saw the village community as a mere expression of the operation of joint property by heirs of an original single proprietor. C. W.H. Weiser opined that village servants and artisans were attached to the village. D. Hiroshi Fukasawa found that rural artisans and servants were tied to the village rather than to individual, and the answer is option C. W.H. Weiser opined that village servants and artisans were attached to the village. 46. Aurangzeb's farmans to Rakshidas and Muhammad Hazim throw light on A. Declining agriculture and oppressive taxation. B. Problem of flight of peasantry from land. C. Peasant uprisings, especially that of the Satnamis and the Jets. Select the correct answer from the code given below, and the answer is option B, A and B. Declining agriculture and oppressive taxation, problem of flight of peasantry from land. 47. Jizya was reimposed by Aurangzeb in 1679. What is the argument of Satish Chandra on the reimposition of Jizya by Aurangzeb? A. Jizya was levied on account of the opposition of the Hindus and the greed of the rulers. B. Jizya was imposed by Aurangzeb for the wanted to force the non-Muslims to accept Islam. C. The reimposition of jizya marked a deepening political crisis due primarily to the deterioration of the situation in the Deccan. D. Jizya was used as a device for relieving the pressure on the general treasury. And the answer is option C. The reimposition of jizya marked as deepening political crisis due primarily to the deterioration of the situation in the Deccan. 48. Tufat ul Hind, written by Mirza Muhammad for Aurangzeb's grandson, Prince Muzuddin Jahandar Shah, deals with which of one of the following themes? A. Music. B. A Sufi work. C. Culinary science. D. Plants and animal kingdoms. And the answer is option A. Music. 49. Which of the following are correct explanation in regard of Maratha interest to support the Mughal emperor against the invasion of Nadir Shah? A. Marathas considered Nadir Shah's invasion as intrusion by an outsider. B. If Nadir Shah was to stay in India and found a new dynasty, it would be a big blow against Maratha ambition. C. Shahu instructed Bajrao to hurry to the aid of the emperor in accordance with understanding to Aurangzeb that whenever the emperor was in any difficulty, Marathas would help. D. Bajrao immediately rushed to help the Mughal army. Select your answer from the code given below, and the answer is option A, B and C. 50. Regional history is important for better understanding of historical developments. Given below are the list of authors and books on regional histories. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Author, book. A. G.D. Sharma, Rajput Polity, a study of politics and administration of the state of Marwar, 1638 to 1749. B. Hiroshi Fukasawa, Medieval Maharashtra. C. Sushil Chaudhary, Throwing Prosperity to Decline, 18th Century Bengal. D. Muhibul Hasan, Kashmir under the Sultans. And the answer is option B. Hiroshi Fukasawa, Medieval Maharashtra. 51. Chronologically arrange the following treaties signed by the British with native states and select the correct code. D. Subsidiary treaty with Nizam of Hyderabad. A. Treaty of Asai. C. Treaty of Rajgarh. B. Treaty of Lahore. 52. The chief value of the Rajas. Raja Ram Mohan Roy labors to our mind seems to lie in his fight against the forces of medievalism in India, and it is for this reason that we claim for him the honor of being the father of the present Indian Renaissance. Who wrote these words? A. Surendranath Banerjee. B. Dwarkanath Thakur. C. Aurobindo Ghosh. D. Bipin Chandra Pal. And the answer is option D. Bipin Chandra Pal. 53. Who among the following became the first native professor in Elphinstone Institute, Bombay in 1835? A. Dadoba Pandurang Tharkar. B. Bal Gangadhar Jambekar. C. Parshuram Balwant Godbole. D. Sadashiv Kashinath Chantre. And the answer is option B. Bal Gangadhar Jambekar. 54. When was the first female school opened in Rawalpindi? A. February 1856. B. June 1856. C. December 1856. D. August 1856. And the answer is option C. December 1856. 55. The Vernacular Press Act 9 of 1878 became law on March 14, and it was operative in all the provinces except Madras because A. Native of Madras were pro-British. B. Madras province had only English papers during that time. C. Where the press in Indian languages was not yet strong. D. In Madras, most of the vernacular printing presses were owned by the British. And the answer is option C, where the press in Indian languages was not yet strong. 56. In 1884 to 88, a 22-year-old Hindu woman was taken to Bombay High Court by her husband. What is the name of this case? A. Rukhamini Madhavji case. B. Rukmabai Dadaji case. C. Rukmabai Babaji case. D. Ramabai Keshavji case. And the answer is option B. Rukmabai Dadaji case. 57. In which year the very famous book Stree Purush Tulana, a comparison between women and men of Tharabhai Shinde was published? A. 1880. B. 1883. C. 1882. D. 1885. And the answer is option C. 1882. 58. In which year was Indian National Social Conference session separated from the session of Indian National Congress? A. 1894. B. 1895. C. 1896. D. 1901. And the answer is option B. 1895. 59. Chronologically arrange the following agrarian revolts which took place in the late 19th century. A. Kukar Revolt of Punjab. B. Agrarian Revolt of Babna District. C. Indigo Revolt in Bengal. D. Deccan Agricultural Disturbances. Select the correct answer from the quotes below, and the answer is option D. C. A. B. D. Indigo Revolt in Bengal. Kukar Revolt of Punjab, Agrarian Revolt of Babna District, Deccan Agricultural Disturbances. 60. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct code regarding the presidents of the Indian National Congress and the year of their presidentship. Dadabhai Nauroji, 1886 and 1893. Surendranath Banerjee, 1895 and 1902. William Weatherburn, 1889 and 1910. Dr. Annie Besant, 1911 and 1917. 61. Which among the following places were set up as Vedanta centers when Swami Vivekananda visited USA in 1899? A. Chicago. B. New York. C. San Francisco. D. Los Angeles. And the answer is option D. C and D. San Francisco and New York. 62. Who among the following wrote the novel The Lake of Palms and whose Ramayana and Mahabharata in English verse secured him a permanent place in Indo-Anglian literature? A. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. B. Michael Madhusudan Dutt. C. Arudat. D. Rachani Palmedat. And the answer is option A. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. 63. From among following who accepted the myth of the safety valve theory regarding the origin of Indian National Congress? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. C.F. Andrews and Girija Mukherjee. C. R. Palmedat. D. M.S. Golwalkar. And the answer is option B. C.F. Andrews and Girija Mukherjee. 64. In which year did Swami Shraddhanand start Gurukul Khangri at Haridwar? A. 1902, B. 1904, C. 1906, D. 1908. And the answer is option A. 1902. 65. In which year Lala Lajpat Rai and Ajit Singh were deported? A. 1907, B. 1908, C. 1909, D. 1910. And the answer is option A. 1907. 66. Who among the following published in 1908 first regular propaganda sheet, The Free Hindustans in USA? A. Sardar Singh Rana. B. Shyamji Krishna Varma. C. Taraknath Das. D. Madam Kama. And answer is option C. Taraknath Das. 67. Who said government is an instrument of service only insofar as it is based upon the will and consent of people. It is an instrument of oppression where it enforces submission by coercion. Oppression therefore ceases when people cease to fear terror of law or arms. A. B.G. Tilak. D. Dr. Annie Besant. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. M.N. Roy. And the answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. 68. Who among the following was the editor of Bombay Chronicle and was deported? A. Stanley Reed Fraser. B. Benjamin Guy Horniman. C. S.K. Sorry, Radcliffe. D. C.F. Andrews. And the answer is option B. Benjamin Guy Horniman. 69. Who among the following did not exert influence on Mahatma Gandhi during his formative period? A. Rai Chandra Mehta. B. John Stuart Mill. C. John Ruskin. D. Leo Tolstoy. And the answer is option B. John Stuart Mill. 70. Who led the Mulshi Dam Satyagraha in 1922? A. M. K. Gandhi. B. N. K. Kelkar. D. P. M. Bapat. D. Vinoba Bhave. And the answer is option C. P. M. Bapat. 71. Match list with one with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1 and list 2. Golmuri Tin Plate Strike 1929. Great Indian Peninsular Railway Strike 1930. Assam Bengal Railway Strike 1921. Ahmedabad Textile Strike 1918. 72. Which national leader stated in 1929 that Congress was not a labor organization but a large body comprising all manner of people? A. N. M. Joshi. B. M. N. Roy. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. 73. Which Indian revolutionary abroad handed over command of the INA to Subhash Chandra Bose in 1943? A. Captain Mohan Singh. B. Sardar Pritam Singh. C. Captain Shah Nawaz Khan. D. Rashbehari Bose. And the answer is option D. Rashbehari Bose. 74. When was the States Reorganization Commission appointed by Prime Minister Nehru? A. 1948, B. 1951, C. 1953, D. 1955. And the answer is option C. 1953. 75. Under which constitutional reform the diarchy was introduced at provisional level? A. Morley Minto reforms 1909. B. Montesquieu Chelmsford reforms 1919. C. Simon Commission report 1927. D. Government of India Act 1935. And the answer is option B. Montesquieu Chelmsford reforms 1919.